Wake up rejuvenated with this simple 4-step routine. Your skin rejuvenation journey begins with this hydrating essence. It helps your skin repair through the locking of moisture while improving skin elasticity. Slow down skin aging with the Rejuvenate Hydrating Serum. Deeply hydrates while speeding up skin metabolism and collagen production. Effectively remove wrinkles and aging lines with the Hydrating Caviar Eye Cream. Restore suppleness with this nourishing formula. Promote collagen production while locking in moisture, all while forming an anti-blue light barrier. The luminous moisture cream will leave your skin smooth and protected. Keep your skin hydrated, supple, and nourished. Peach Blossom. Rejuvenate your way.